Hi guys, bumalik kami sa Rice Bistro kasi sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila tsaka maganda yung service at mura pa. Dito kami magla-lunch ngayon bago kami pumunta sa Sapa.
May picture ba tayo? Nung ano? Kit natin.
Yes. This was last time.
This is our first visit.
Hanapin mo si Cheese para may cause of conversation. Siyempre.
Yeah?
Yes.
This one is staying.
Alright guys, kaya kami bumalik dito kasi for the mango sticky rice. Ang sarap ng mango sticky rice din. First time ko kumain ng mango sticky rice.
Eh, nagustuhan niya po. Okay?
That's the end of the
That's
story.
the essence of being
A woman. So paano to? You pull down all the lips. Wow, English.
Wow.
Pull down all the
And
lips.
the creamier.
And then there's a cream here or syrup. I don't know what is
No,
this.
that's a cream.
It's syrup.
It's
Milk?
not syrup. When you say syrup, it's...
Milk daw.
Yeah.
Coconut milk. And you have to... Wow!
Ang sarap naman.
This is ice cream. Pwede ba? No. Ice cream, syrup, and mango. Top. Pero dapat minimix daw to. Minimix ba to? Minimix daw dapat. Some people mix. Some people don't.
Because I love the chicken banana.
Okay, thank you.
Wow! Ang dami. Hello guys! So, nag-book kami ng sleeper bus going to Sapa, Soviet. Kasi yung bus na yan, meron siyang CR sa loob. Ito yung ano nila, main office nila para sa pick-up location. Yan. Maliit lang siya. Katapat niya is flyover ng kalsada. This is the Soviet bus. Hello! Andito na tayo sa loob ng sleeper bus, Soviet. Meron silang pakumot. Yung space ko. Tapos nagko-close doon. Paano i-close to? Hihilahin mo lang siya. O ba?
Okay.
Yan. Hindi na. Para ayaw ko. Tataas mo na medyo matigas na. Sleeper bus going to Sapa. Hindi pa lang kami. Yan. The water. Ito, may leather kang hihigaan. Kasya ka naman. Yan. Oh my God. Mandar na kami. Nakakagulan. And ito yung view mo. Hello, Vietnam. Tada!
Ano? Soviet travel?
Soviet. See you sa Sapa, guys. Bye! First stop over namin for our trip. Here. Kakain kami ng po. Yan o. Wow! Coca-Cola. Let's go.
What is this? Good?
One.
Good? Huh? How much is this?
20.
Sao anh nặng cái đòi đi vệ sinh vào? Tí đòi đi. Ôi này.
Welcome to Sapa.